Who left them marks there? What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are out here, undisclosed location. Pretty sure everybody knows where we're at, but we're here to have some fun. And we got a couple cars. We got Fubotan Mustang GT. We got EcoBoost. Mother. Just gonna have some fun. I'm gonna take the Hellcat out, but we got SS1 LE, Hellcat, Caddy, Boosted Mustang, GTI. We got Fubotan Mustang GT there, EcoBoost, Jorge's GTP2, GT350, and Focus. And I'm just gonna go out with Jorge, get the Hellcat for the first time, go around on it, see how it feels around the turns and stuff. I'm gonna let him drive it, so he creates his own opinion about it, and let's see how the Hellcat feels for the first time out here, turning and shifting weight and stuff. All right, so I'm here with Jorge. He's our local guy. He used to have the Mustang. I'll show you a clip of the Mustang. Last time he drove it was in the rain. I have some footage of that. I never used it. I gotta send it to you. But now he has a Performance Pack 2, 3rd generation Mustang with Corsas, and it sounds awesome. We got the Hellcat out here. We're gonna go for a drive. We're gonna see how it feels, what feedback I can get out of him, and maybe go a little bit harder on it. And then
the new fancy phone.
Ah, nice. And then we're gonna swap seats and let him drive it and create his own opinion about it. Yeah. And then after, I'm definitely gonna jump on the Performance Pack 2 and see how he has progressed in it here. So let's go figure things out.
I've driven it twice here.
Twice?
Just so you know.
That's fine, we'll be alright.
Yeah.
Alright, so
I'll tell you, that's a different car altogether from the EcoBoost.
Yeah.
Completely different.
It's getting hot. But nobody's coming.
You're good.
Let's get the tires warm.
It doesn't lean as much as I thought it would.
No,
it actually stays pretty flat. That's good.
That's why it was pretty good for Tennessee.
Yeah.
Yeah. See it slide, and that's pedaling it. Like, but look, like it turns pretty good.
It does actually turn in really well.
I just can't.
You have 275s on the front, right?
Yes, 275 40s all around.
Okay.
Look at it. I wonder if he's making George dizzy. Yeah, it's probably swaying, you know?
Yeah, sure.
It's swaying, you know?
Take his seasickness,
you know? Yeah. He needs to adjust the ballast and all that.
Yeah, the sea life. It sounds great.
That car sounds good as hell.
It sounds great.
It does. And it's like simple as exhaust too.
I know. It's basic as shit.
Well, that's why I was standing right here. You get wine coming in and you get exhaust going out.
Yeah.
It does pull really nice.
Huh?
It pulls really nice.
Yeah, and that's me. Like,
that's pedaling it.
Remember how when I brought the Grabber Blue and I was boosted and I wouldn't get on it? It's like you're like, man, like we were looking at the percentage on the pedal and it was like 50.
Yeah.
This is the same here. I'm not
Here's Javi. Javi gonna be showing out. Here he come. Here he come. Ooh. He not full sensing it.
Nope.
Nope. With the Mustang, he would have been in this corner way harder.
Pretty good. Pretty good stuff.
See if I can get more on the gas on the turn.
What you can try there, yeah, if you give it more gas, it'll start to swing out.
Okay.
That'll help you feel it when it starts to go.
Okay. Yeah, that's what I was trying to. I didn't want to hit the gas on the turns yet until I got like a feeling for it. But we'll find out.
Dude, it does amazing. Like really, considering how big it is. Yeah, it's plowing there a little, but
Oh shit! I went too first.
all the power.
I'm liking this. Oh, this turns better than I thought.
Pretty good. Really good, actually. I can imagine what you do with a really good tire.
Right.
Go a little bit slower in the entry and stay in the inside.
Okay.
And then go out and then back out. There you go. That was cleaner. See, a little bit slidey
I
side.
hit the
but-
gas, like you said, to kind of help it go around.
Yeah.
The turn. There you go. Hold down.
Good stuff. I'm impressed.
Yeah, I'm happy. It turns way better than I thought it would.
I smelled the brakes a little, but that's normal with a big
Yeah.
car. But honestly, I mean, first time riding a Hellcat too. I mean, that's
Yeah.
another thing. But I never thought it would turn this well. It just does turn decent. I mean, it's not a go-kart,
No,
but
definitely not.
the way it shifts predictably. The back kind of slides, but it slides kind of slowly. It doesn't just kind of snap.
No.
You know, that's good. It's pretty impressive. 4,000.
4,500 pounds, man.
Wow.
Yeah, I'm pretty impressed by it too. It definitely turns a lot better than I thought it would. So we'll let it cool down and then let you have a go at it. We can jump in your car so you can warm up, and then
Yeah, sounds
we can
good.
go at it.
Big girl turns.
Yeah.
That's okay. Yeah, it doesn't shift the weight doesn't shift that much. It feels lighter, but like not as responsive. I think when you like start to turn.
Yeah.
Like you start to turn and then it turns, but when it starts turning, it does okay. That click again.
That clicks hard.
I'm gonna go like slow just to get the hang of it first.
Forward now.
There's the gear.
It didn't shift back down though, right? It's in third.
It's the third.
Yeah, you have to shift it back down. That's for sure.
Okay.
Yeah, once you hit the paddles, you have control. But it's just if you forget, it'll shift itself up.
Gotcha. There it is. It's quick
Yeah.
too. It's like just buck.
It has that same transmission as a Supra.
That is a little
So-
disconcerting.
So the click is in the front. Yeah, there we go.
I see what you said about pedaling it.
Yeah.
Shifts.
Huh?
I love how it shifts. It's just bit.
Yeah. I definitely like the transmission way more than the 6RA. The way it feels, the way it shifts. I don't know if the way it
It's predictable. That's the one thing I can say about it.
That's what I'm saying. You feel the it's a lot of weight and it
so
shifts
heavy,
around, but you can feel it.
It starts to feel it, yeah. I love how the freaking supercharger sounds.
Yeah.
The blower is just awesome.
Let it whine.
Real speed faster than mine. Little baby is there. Yeah, you gotta turn it in hard. And
But
then
it-
once you turn it in,
But it stays.
yep.
It doesn't veer off.
And it's easier to turn with the power because it just kind of comes on. Like it'll be running.
You're doing a lot better than I do with the throttle control. Because when you take off, it's not spinning as much as when I was doing it. Let me see, have I been in the passenger side? Yeah, Marty drove it, but Marty hit it up high. I don't think I've ever been with anybody in the car driving it like this, like down low.
Feels great, man.
Yeah.
It turns really nice for a big car.
Yeah.
I'm surprised too. I used to give shit to my buddy all the time after I got the Hellcat because he went from a 350 to a Hellcat.
I don't know, I've never been in a Charger driven. I've driven it just to test drive with it like this.
It's so crisp when it shifts. That's awesome. I love that.
Yeah, I like it.
It's a CF8, right?
Yes.
Let's see.
See, it doesn't,
Controllable.
not too much.
Feel it.
Smell brakes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'll pull it off after this lap.
Yeah, that's good.
Dude, I love this. This is actually really nice. You can feel it lock up a little on their ABS.
Yep. Extra power is always
I'm gonna
good.
spin it a little.
Okay.
There it goes.
Oh, good. There you go.
It's
Just
pretty
here.
controllable.
Yeah.
Like it goes, but it goes like controllable.
Yeah. It's pretty good. Oh,
Feel
okay.
it? I'm gonna like roast
You're gonna
them,
put it in
but-
gear or gonna, no?
No.
You're just gonna let
Just
it.
leave it. Yeah.
Okay.
I just want to feel
It's in
the
auto, though.
throttle. That's fine. It'll just spin and then go to second and then go.
It'll be different.
Yeah, no, it just goes.
Yeah,
Shit.
yeah, you won't be able to, like, you gotta adjust the suspension a little bit.
Yeah, this thing is nuts.
It is. I like it. It's a lot of
fun.
weight. I'm getting used to it.
It's a lot of weight. It's a cruiser though, but
Yeah,
for the
definitely.
cruiser, dude, it's super nice. It's fun. But the throttle is totally different.
Yeah.
Totally different. Like you said, it's just barely, you barely touch it. And
That's what I said, like, between the different modes, I don't notice the
pressure
difference.
brake.
But because I've had some good practice track and here with you guys and all that stuff, that's why I don't notice a lot of it. Because I think I'm turning and all that stuff. I'm still learning, but I'm pretty good at throttle control.
Yeah.
That's why I'm pretty safe with all this horsepower.
You have to, because even when I first got on it, like I literally, this is the first time I drove the Hellcat, or any Hellcat engine car, I guess, but just pressing the pedal to go into reverse, you felt that like surge,
Yeah.
and I was like, holy crap,
Yeah.
like I barely tapped it.
It's that supercharger torque.
Yeah,
down low.
it's just, it goes.
That's
really
why a lot of
quick.
people get in trouble, because they just stay on street tires and they want to have
Yeah.
fun and they don't have
And they
good
go
throttle
super easy,
control.
dude.
They
They,
don't
they
go,
go easy, yeah.
yeah, they don't got good throttle
But
control.
it's
and
controllable though, like the couple of times that we slid, it kind of like just, if you kind of get out of it a little bit, it just settles and then you get back on it and it's good. It's good. I like it. I honestly, honestly thought it was gonna lean a lot more. I thought it was gonna be really hard to break into a turn,
No,
and then just
after I drove it, I think it's the same.
it's pretty good.
I mean, Mustang is definitely a different car, but this
It's
is
a lighter
this
car.
This is
Very suspension
so
and
good
stuff,
compared
but
to what I thought. You know, even driving in Tennessee, like you said, oh, you were keeping up. I was like, yeah, but I was keeping up because we're in the Dragon. Not
Yeah,
everybody's going
you
full. I
can't
was
go
like,
full on.
if some of you guys go a little bit harder, I wouldn't have been able to keep up because I still wasn't sure about the car.
No, but it honestly, just with a little bit that I drove it, and that you drove it, it's pretty impressive, dude.
Yeah, I liked it. Feels good. Yeah.
Yeah. Fun car.
There you go. There you go. Mustang owner drove the Hellcat.
Yeah.
Thumbs up.
Great
Thumbs
power.
Up. Everybody likes the power.
We trading in? We trading in? No.
But it's fun. I mean,
Quick, right?
the problem is that his throttle is so sensitive that I don't know if you saw me just backing in. I barely tapped it, and I was like, holy shit, it's going. I tried to kind of launch it back there. I just blew the tires off. It's really hard to launch it, like, especially with this tire. It's low mode. But
Yeah, you got to kind of roll it. No, he's tripping. He said